Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide photos on your Android device. To get started, open your Gallery or Google Photos app and select the photo or photos you want to hide. Tap the three-dot menu or More option to view additional settings. If you're using Google Photos, tap Move to Locked Folder and follow the prompts to set up a locked folder if you haven't already. If you're using your phone's Gallery app, look for options such as Hide, Move to Safe Folder, Private Album, or Secure Folder, depending on your device. Once the photos are moved, they will no longer appear in your main photo library and can only be accessed through the Secure Folder or Locked Album after verifying your identity with your PIN, password, or fingerprint. And that's it, you've successfully hidden photos on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.